In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn's search filters to narrow your job search efficiently. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or an experienced user, these steps can help you maximize your job seeking efforts on this powerful platform. First, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com. It's best to start from the homepage for a seamless experience. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might be prompted to verify your account through a code sent to your phone. This is just a security measure to protect your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the Jobs icon. This will take you to the LinkedIn Jobs portal, which is designed specifically for job searching. Now, in the search bar at the top of the page, you can enter keywords, job titles, specific skills, or even company names depending on what you're looking for. Hit the enter key to see your initial search results. This gives you a broad view of available positions, but to really hone in on your ideal job, we need to dive deeper with filters. Locate the All Filters button and click on it to open a range of options that can refine your search. This step is crucial because it allows you to tailor your results according to several important criteria. For example, you can filter jobs based on location, industry, job function, and even experience level. The more filters you apply, the more specific and relevant your job listings will become. Once you've applied your desired filters, you can further sort your search results by relevance or recency. Sorting by relevance will show you positions closely aligned with your search terms, while sorting by recency will display the most recently posted jobs first. Both sorting methods have their benefits, so you might want to experiment with them to see which yields the best opportunities for you. It's worth noting that being as specific as possible with your filters can significantly enhance the quality of your job search results. Additionally, remember to search for job-related posts as well, not just the job listings themselves. Many companies post updates about openings or hiring events that might not be listed in the traditional job postings. This can be a goldmine for discovering new opportunities, and there you have it. By using these search filters and techniques, you can streamline your job search on LinkedIn, making it easier and more efficient to find positions that match your skills and career goals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.